Don't compare your life to others, and don't judge them, and you have no idea what their journey is all about. Okay? Stop thinking too much. It's all right not to know all the answers. Okay? Smile. You don't own all the problems in the world, so smile. So if you don't have a time to, watch this video, you can save it for later, and you can also share it to your friends so that they can also learn something. Okay, that means you are blessing them. Have a blessed day. Okay, I love you guys. So share it with another person. Part 2. Bye bye.